Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech review. Back with another video today. Today's video, I have 3 more cases for your Galaxy S10 Plus. I want to shout out Speck for actually sending these 3 cases to me for review. I have the Presidio Stay Clear, Presidio Pro, and then also the Presidio Grip. I'm going to start off with the clear case first. Bam, look at that packaging. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. It says designed for impact. We will find that out. I like the packaging, pretty simple but nice. Alright, so here's the case. Nice hard back. Man, this is nice. Let's see how this fits, because that's what matters. That was snug. Alright, so let's check out the lip action. Yes, you definitely have some lip action there. Look at that. That's the camera hump. Also, you have that protection on the back for your lenses, so you don't have to worry about scratching it up. You do have a little logo there from Speck. The cutouts line up great at the bottom. Also, the microphone at the top. The button feels great. The power button, the volume rockers work. Let's check out the Bixby button. The Bixby button works also. Let's test out the feel and the grip. Man, look at that. What y'all think about this case? It looks great, and it shows off the beauty of your phone in the back. Now, will it wireless charge with the case on? Let's see. The answer is yes, it does that. I have my lucky G7 here. Let's see if you can power share with your phone with the case on. The answer is yes, you can definitely do so. Okay, so that was the Presidio Stay Clear. What y'all thought about that case? Man, this case fits nice and snug. Bam. You can pick up all 3 cases from Amazon and their website. I will have the links in the description. I'm gonna try out next the Presidio Grip. Bam. This says 10 feet of drop protection. I love that blue and gray color together. Man, look at that. Little branding in the inside. Let's see how this bad boy fits. Man, that fits snug too. Let me cancel this. Look at that. Lip action. Yes, you have some on the top and bottom. I wouldn't drop my phone, but if you place it down, you wouldn't have to worry about your beautiful display. Also, the camera hump on the back, it gives you that protection that you're looking for. The cutouts line up great. Also, the one on the top. The power button works good. The volume rockers, you can hear. Look, listen. Man, that is great. The Bixby button definitely works too. Let's test out the fit. Man, these cases fit snug. That is a snug fit. Well, this case, wireless charge with it on. Let's see. The answer is yes again. That is great. Can you power share with it? Let's see. My lucky G7 again. The answer is yes to that also. You can power share with the case on. Charge your phone wirelessly. That's pretty cool. Alright, so let's cancel this out. Next, I will do the Pro. Man, these cases fit snug. Not going to lie. Alright, so I have the Pro. Bam. Same type of packaging. Again, if you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. Here it is. Look at that case. Bam, I like that blue. Same type of logo on the inside. Little branding here too. It says designed for impact. This one gives you 10 feet of drop protection also. And it fits snug. That is a snug fitting case. Lip action, yes, you do have some lip action going on there. Same thing with the camera hump. Look at that. You do have a little logo there. Look at the cutouts at the bottom. That looks good. The microphone also lines up. The power button works. Listen to the volume rockers. They definitely work. The Bixby button definitely works too. Man, this is a nice case. Let's test out the fit. Look, there's no movement. Man, this one, I might have to rock with this case. Let's test out and see if it wireless charges. I have no doubt that it will. Bam, there you go. It wireless charges. The last step is the power share. Let's see. My lucky G7 again. The answer is yes to that case also. So if you want to pick up either one of these cases, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S10 Plus. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. We are growing every day. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.